Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2023. It's the 16th match in round 2 and the scores are Campion College on 6, Denbigh High on 1. It's now time for the speed challenge in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Denbigh High, it's time for your first minute. Denbigh, in which book of the Bible does the burning bush story first appear?
Exodus.
Correct. What are organisms which break down dead or waste matter into simpler substances called?
Saprobes.
No, decomposers.
Okay, next one.
What is the past simple tense of the word hide?
Hide.
Hidden.
No, hid. Who is the executive director of Jamaicans for Justice?
James Chamber.
No, Michael Jackson. What is the national dish of Chile?
Chile.
Pass.
Cazuela de Ave. What type of rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma?
Igneous.
Yes. How many members are there in the music band Coldplay?
10.
No, 4. Who discovered the elements calcium and barium?
William Sheed.
No, Sir Humphrey Davy. What is the perimeter of a square with an area of 289 square centimeters?
13 centimeters.
No, 68 centimeters. What 1999 movie starring Tom Hanks and Michael Clark Duncan was nominated
Pass.
for 4 Academy Awards? The Green Mile.
Go, guys.
That's it for the first minute for Denbigh, and now we go to Campion for their first minute. Campion, in which book of the Bible is the story of Gideon first mentioned?
Judges.
Correct. What are organic substances obtained from the decomposition of dead plants and animal waste called?
Humus.
Yes. What is the past participle of the word mean?
Ment.
Correct. Who is the executive director of the Caribbean Vulnerable Communities Coalition?
Pass.
Dr. Carolyn Gomes. What is the national dish of China?
Pass.
Peking roasted duck. What type of rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks? Or
Sedimentary.
Wrong answer came first. Sedimentary rocks. How many members are part of the band Imagine Dragons?
7.
3.
No, 4. Who discovered the element neon?
William Ramsey.
Incomplete.
Amherst Travers.
And Morris Travers. Wrong answer. Incomplete answer came first. What is the area of a square with a perimeter of 76 centimeters?
Pass.
361 centimeters squared. Who is the first? And that is the end of the first minute for Campion College. We'll hold that one and go now to Denbigh for their second minute.
Consistency.
Denbigh, on which of his voyages did Christopher Columbus land on the island of Trinidad?
Third voyage.
Correct. For what country did Achraf Hakimi play in the 2022 FIFA?
Pakistan.
No, Morocco. Who discovered the rotating magnetic field that is the basis of alternating current?
Samuel Goldsmith.
No, Nikola Tesla. What part of the human body is la mano?
Mano. The hand.
Hand.
Yes, who's the author of the 2017 novel, The Hate You Give?
Pass.
Angie Thomas. What does the Jamaican phrase, keep by your mouth, mean?
Shut up.
Yes. In the Bible, how old was Isaac when he was circumcised?
8 years old.
8 years old.
Yes. No. 8 days. That's incorrect. Which gas is released from cells into the bloodstream during
Carbon dioxide.
Correct. What tense is used in the sentence, the car was parked in the wrong lane?
Past perfect tense.
No, past tense. Who's the chairman of the Caribbean-based resort company? And we'll hold that one. End of the second minute for Denbigh. Now we go back to Campion for their second minute. Campion, who's the first character Dorothy meets on the yellow brick road in the film The Wizard of Oz?
The Tin Man.
No, the Scarecrow. In which year did the British government combine Tobago with 3 other Caribbean islands into a single entity?
1888.
No, 1885. For what country did Cody Gakpo play?
Netherlands.
Yes. What type of device converts direct current into alternating current?
Transformer.
No, inverter. What part of the human body is la muñeca?
Wrist.
Correct. Who's the author of the novel American Street?
Pass.
Ibi Zoboy. What does the Jamaican phrase gravelicious mean?
Greedy.
Correct. In the Bible, how old was Aaron when Moses was born?
60.
No, 3 years old. By what process is ingested food broken down into its constituent compounds for use by the
Digestion.
body? Correct. What tense is used in the sentence? Kenny will be visiting her ailing
Future tense.
grandfather. No, future continuous. Who is the president of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association?
Robin Russell.
Correct. Which Canadian? And we will hold that one. End of the second minute for Campion College. Now back to Denbigh for their third and final. Denbigh, who is the chairman of the Caribbean-based resort company Sandals?
Arnold Scott.
No, Adam Stewart. Which Australian state is known as the City of Gardens?
Sydney.
No, Victoria. Which South American country extends farthest east?
Venezuela.
Incorrect, Brazil. The banjo is said to have originated in what continent?
Africa.
Correct. Why doesn't helium and neon react with hydrogen?
Because it's a nova gas.
No, because they are inert gases. Yes, we'll accept. What is the median of the numbers 33, 55, 77, 22, and 11?
Pass.
33. Who played the role of Annie Hall in the movie of the same name?
Pass.
Diane Keaton. Who went on an extended fast to the death to protest British actions in India in 1932?
Mama Gandhi.
Correct. The Cherries is a nickname for which football club in the English Premier League?
Pass.
Bournemouth FC. What is a repulsive or attractive interaction of two charged bodies called?
What's that?
Pass.
Electric force. Translate to English. And that's it. End of the third and final minute for Denbigh. Back now to Campion College for their third and final minute. Campion, which Canadian province is known as a land of 100,000 lakes?
Manitoba.
Correct. What is the southernmost capital in Asia?
Jakarta.
Correct. What is the national instrument of Scotland?
Saxophone.
No, bagpipes. What is the formula for potassium iodate?
KiO4.
No, KiO3. What is the median of the numbers 2, 6, 9, 12, 12, and 13?
Pass.
10 and a half or 2 and a half? Who played the role of Danny in the movie Grease?
John Travolta.
Correct. Who conquered Spain and ended the Spanish Inquisition in 1808?
Pass.
Napoleon. The Eagles is the nickname for which football club in the
Crystal
English? Yes. What is the name of the force of attraction between unlike molecules?
Adhesion.
Correct. Translate to English. Dos errores no hacen un acierto.
Pass.
Two wrongs don't make a right. In which Caribbean country was the novelist Claire Adam born?
Tobago.
That's correct. And that bell signifies the end of the third and final minute for Campion and the end of our speed challenge. The scores are Campion College on 20, Denbigh High on 10. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide all winners. Stay tuned. The 16th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge season 2023 returns right after this.